Channel 8 News. This week, we'll be continuing our segment on investigating businesses and the processes of production. Our film reporter, Ellie Parkinson, has taken a trip to the small town of Winchester, Indiana, to learn about Wick's Pies and its dessert empire.
Trinity, for that wonderful introduction. I'm Ellie Parkinson here at Mrs. Wick's Pies, ready to discover what really Wick's Pies is all about. Much in the small town of Winchester, Indiana, but they've got a little bit of a hidden secret. Or, shouldn't I say, not so hidden. Factory right over here. Wick's Pies has been selling for over 3 generations to 40 states in the U.S. Let's go find out. Thanks for joining me here at Wick's. Now back to the studio.
Welcome back, Ellie. Sounds like an interesting trip at the Wick's factory.
It really was. Thanks for asking.
So what did you learn about the workers at the factory?
Any of you unemployed folks out there, Wick's Pie is a great opportunity to make a lot of money per hour. Average in dollars per hour, $58,000 per year, and $60,000 for overtime. That's not bad, wouldn't you say? Not at all.
So Ellie, tell me the production process and how things are made.
Well, first, Trinity, they have to start with land to get their water and their natural gas from somewhere. To run the machines, they're on farmland because they produce a lot of their products are produced from there. For labor, it's not really anything specific. It's just the amount of time that a worker spends during the day working on their shift or their job. With capital, I saw both physical and human capital. It can be all the machines that are in the factory, ovens, mixers, the cooks. There's trucks that deliver goods. They sell at the store with a restaurant and to major stores like Walmart and Aldi. And there is a convenient location of the store to a factory just right across the street, which really helps keep the production process up.
So tell me about the human capital in the factory.
Well, with human capital, not everyone has been able to do all the tasks. So some people are more skilled because you have to have a quick timing, quick pace to be able to keep everything running smoothly. And not everyone has the skills. Lastly, entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a huge part of the Wick's Pie factory process. It came from a family tradition. It's generational. We're on, I believe, they talked about the 3rd generation of owners and managers in the business. They try to expand, but they also want to keep their ideas traditional and not too long, so workers can stay. They're not being replaced by machines. That's incredibly important. So we have innovative ideas, but we also want to keep this traditional appeal to customers that have been coming there for a long time and will continue to do so because of the small town feel of the company. It's just something special. It's not something you see every day, truly.
That's all for today.
I really enjoyed going behind the scenes of a factory and learning out what truly happens. Join us tomorrow as we meet with conspiracy theorist Shane Dodson to discover how much pig is truly in the pies. See you later. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Trinity.
And we're Channel 8 News.